Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. And this is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and I got new software update today, and this is security patch update March 2026. And as you can see that I am already download my software update, so let's install. By the way, I am already making Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra long time review in 2026. Video link also available in the first comment and also I button, check it out. Alright, as you can see that I am successfully done my software update, and you can see that the phone running One UI 8 with Android 16. After the update, I don't face any major problem on my Galaxy S25 Ultra and the phone running smoothly. All the app opening and closing speed very fast. So that is all about my today update videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.